Hello AGC family, we're back again in Manassas, Virginia, doing the full siding replacement. Done the left side of the house. Garage is all done once again. We have a little bit of left to do on that shed. But yeah, all windows on top, done. Put PVC around the windows. Tyvek house wrap. New entry door. The doorknob, that's not the right doorknob, but we got it already. We got the right doorknob. We'll put it in the next following days. So windows on top once again. All windows on bottom. New French door. Beautiful French door, by the way. And yeah, this side's all done. We finished taking off all the siding on this elevation. Windows stay there. And yeah, that's it for today. Until the next.